The new Hasselblad X2DII has finally arrived, and after spending time with it, I can confidently say this camera is a serious evolution over the original X2D. It's been 3 years since the first model came out, and while that camera was beautifully designed, it had one major weakness that frustrated many photographers: the autofocus. The original X2D used a pretty average phase detection system with single focus points. It struggled in low light, often hunted around before locking on a subject, and lacked any sort of zone or tracking features. Even face detection wasn't added until a firmware update more than a year after launch. This new X2DI changes everything. The autofocus has been completely rebuilt, offering continuous AF with subject recognition that includes eye tracking. It also introduces something called arbitrary focus tracking, which lets you half-press the shutter and follow any subject across the frame. Whether you're shooting still objects, people, or fast-moving scenes, the difference is night and day. The X2DI can even track vehicles, making it ideal for automotive photographers. With an expanded number of focus points from 290 to 425 and several new AF modes like Expand Spot, Custom, and Wide, the system feels fast, accurate, and incredibly reliable compared to the old version. Beyond the focusing system, there are significant physical upgrades. The new folding OLED touchscreen is a major highlight. It tilts more flexibly than before and doesn't get blocked by the viewfinder, making it perfect for creative low or high-angle shots. It's not a fully articulating screen, which might disappoint some, but Hasselblad likely avoided that to maintain their premium build quality. The screen itself is stunning bright, crisp, and capable of showing HDR images directly in camera with a maximum brightness of 1400 nits. Another welcome addition is the 5-way joystick and custom function button. The original X2D lacked any navigation joystick, which meant you had to rely entirely on the touchscreen to move focus points. That was often unreliable, especially if your fingers were cold. The new joystick solves this beautifully, giving tactile control and even allowing you to assign a custom function to its click action. Just below it, a new custom button adds further flexibility for quickly accessing frequently used settings, small touches that make a big difference in the field. The design has also received a refresh. The new finish looks absolutely stunning and is more durable, resistant to everyday wear, and paired with an improved grip design that feels even more comfortable. It's classic Hasselblad craftsmanship, luxurious yet purposeful. Inside, the X2DI keeps the same 100 megapixel resolution but uses an all-new sensor with a lower base ISO of 50. This change delivers an even greater dynamic range than before, improving on what was already one of the best sensors in the business. To demonstrate, the reviewer underexposed an image by 5 stops and then recovered it in Lightroom. The details came back with minimal noise and excellent clarity. It's the kind of performance that lets photographers shoot high-contrast scenes in a single exposure without needing multiple bracketed shots. This improved sensor also has practical benefits. Compared to a Sony a7 IV, which has a base ISO of 100 and a minimum aperture of f22, the X2DI's ISO 50 and f32 combination allows for slower shutter speeds in bright conditions. In one example, the Sony could only manage 1/10 of a second, while the Hasselblad achieved a silky 0.6 second handheld exposure, perfect for creative motion blur effects. And despite that long exposure, details remained impressively sharp. The in-body image stabilization has also been enhanced. The previous X2D already offered industry-leading performance with 7 stops of stabilization, enabling sharp handheld exposures up to 1 second. The X2DI pushes this to a remarkable 10 stops, allowing exposures of around 2.5 to 3 seconds handheld. That's an astonishing achievement and opens new possibilities for shooting long exposures without a tripod. Tests showed consistently sharp results at 2.5 seconds across multiple shots, no flukes, just rock-solid performance. Another standout addition is the HDR mode, now available for JPEG and HEIF images. Turning this on gives beautifully balanced results with enhanced shadow and highlight detail without looking artificial. It's especially useful for client-facing work, where you can connect the camera to Hasselblad's Focus Mobile 2 app and instantly show HDR images on a phone or tablet as you shoot. HEIF files also provide a nice balance between size and quality. It's smaller than RAW but with much more information than standard JPGs. making them ideal for quick turnarounds without sacrificing flexibility. The X2DII also introduces LiDAR technology, something we're starting to see in other advanced imaging systems like drones. By sending out pulses of light and measuring the reflections, LiDAR helps the camera focus more accurately in low light, addressing one of the biggest weaknesses of the original X2D. Combined with the improved AF system, it performs brilliantly even in challenging lighting conditions. During testing, the reviewer put the camera into continuous burst mode with face detection turned on. Every frame came out sharp, something the first X2D could never manage since it lacked continuous autofocus. This level of reliability makes the new model far more practical for professional work. Alongside the camera, Hasselblad has launched a new 35 to 100mm X2D zoom lens with an aperture range of f2.8 to f4. It's large and beautifully built, offering fantastic image quality across the zoom range. At 100mm and f4, you get lovely compression and subject isolation, while at 35mm and f2.8 you can capture striking wide perspectives. The autofocus on this lens is extremely fast, easily the quickest in Hasselblad's lineup to date, switching between subjects with impressive speed and precision. It's also incredibly solid, with no wobble when fully extended, and includes a customizable control ring that can be assigned to functions like ISO, shutter speed, or aperture. Despite the extra features, the X2DII is actually 60 grams lighter than its predecessor, roughly the weight of 4A batteries, making it easier to handle during long shoots. Battery life has improved too, not through a new cell but by optimizing power distribution throughout the system, even with the brighter display. It's a subtle improvement, but noticeable in day-to-day use. After testing the X2DII extensively for 4 weeks, the reviewer was asked whether it could replace his Sony A7 IV as his main camera. 2 years ago, the answer would have been a firm no, mainly because of the X2D's limited autofocus performance. But with the X2DII, that's changed completely. The autofocus now feels confident, fast, and intelligent, finally on par with leading full-frame systems, while still delivering that unmistakable Hasselblad color science, medium format depth, and premium build. In the end, the X2DII doesn't just refine the original, it redefines what a Hasselblad mirrorless camera can be. From its vastly improved AF and LiDAR-assisted low-light performance to the new screen, joystick, enhanced stabilization, and refined design, it feels like an entirely new generation. For photographers who love the X2D but hesitated because of its quirks, this upgrade is absolutely worth it. It's elegant, powerful, and ready for any professional challenge of the kind of camera that finally lives up to Hasselblad's legendary reputation.